Hand signals. All drivers must know and understand the hand signals that are used to communicate different actions, like changing lanes or stopping. You may also be required to demonstrate the basic hand signals on your driving test. So today, you'll learn all about the different driving hand signals so you can feel prepared both for the road test and a life on the roads. So, what are the different hand signals? Now, there are only 3 driving hand signals, and they are the same across the entire United States. The first one is for left turns, the second one is for right turns, and the last is for slowing down or stopping. Now, you must be able to recognize the hand signals of other drivers and other road users, even if you do not need to use them yourself. Before we explain on how to make these hand signals, let's go through when they should be used. Now, every US state has laws that require you to signal your intentions to others. This means you must use hand signals when your turn lights are malfunctioning or obscured. They could be obscured by bright sunshine or other vehicles, such as if you're in a queue. So in short, situations when your vehicle signals can't be seen or don't work. Now, before we continue, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe. It will really help our channel and more people will be able to find this video. Thank you. Okay, so let's start with the stopping or slowing down hand signal. Now, you can indicate that you are slowing down or stopping by extending your arm downward with your palm facing backward. Make sure your arm is clearly visible to other drivers behind you. Then we have the left turn hand signal. The left turn hand signal is indicated by an arm straight out through the window. Make sure you extend your arm far enough to be visible to other drivers, but without striking any other vehicles or objects with your arm. And lastly, the right turn hand signal. Now, the right turn hand signal is indicated by extending your arm at a 90-degree angle upwards with your palm facing forward. You need to be extra careful when changing lanes to the right using hand signal, as vehicles that are already on your right side, they won't be able to see the hand signals that you are making from your driver's seat. Therefore, you need to display immense caution before changing lanes or turning to the right when you use hand signals. Can you replace turn signals with hand signals? In general, using hand signals is a short-term solution that should only be used to transport your vehicle to a place where the problem can be solved or to handle an immediate situation. Do not rely on hand signals for an extended period, as the chance of a crash will be far higher than normal. Can you use hand signals at night? The short answer is no. At night, the darkness will mean that nobody will be able to see hand signals. So if your turn signals are malfunctioning and you need to drive at night, you will have to find another alternative. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you want to study more, press the link in the description.